Hello students, in this video we will learn about the components of peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system includes cranial nerves and spinal nerves that connect the central nervous system with receptors and effectors of the body. So first, cranial nerve. The nerves connected to the brain. This is the brain part. The nerves connected to the brain are called cranial nerves. In man and other mammals, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. You can see number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these nerves are designated by serial numbers 1 to 12, and each one has a special name. Number 1, olfactory. Olfactory nerve, it is mainly concerned with the smell. Here it is given, olfactory. This is one kind of sensory nerve and it is concerned with the smell. Number 2, optic nerve. Here it is, optic nerve. This is also one kind of sensory nerve and it is mainly concerned with the vision. Number 3, oculomotor. Here it is, oculomotor. That is one kind of motor nerve and it is associated with the movement of eyeball, regulation of size of pupil and accommodation. Number 4, it is called trochlear. Here it is given, trochlear. It is one kind of motor nerve and it is mainly concerned with the eye movement. Here it is written superior oblique muscle movement. So it is mainly concerned with the eye movement. Number 5. Here it is number 5. Number 5, it is called trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve. So trigeminal is actually one kind of mixed nerve. And here ophthalmic, that is, this is one sensory nerve. Maxillary, that is also one sensory nerve. And mandibular, this is one mixed nerve. These are present in the trigeminal nerves. So trigeminal nerves means here it mainly consists of 3 kinds of nerve, 2 sensory nerves and 1 mixed nerve. The main function of this trigeminal nerve, so it mainly concerned with the sensation of touch and taste. It carries impulses from eye orbit, eyelids, conjunctiva of eye and lacrimal glands, and this one mainly done by the ophthalmic nerve. The maxillary part of the trigeminal nerve, it is associated with the, it mainly carries sensory impulses from teeth, upper gums, upper lip and palate lining. And the mandibular part of this trigeminal nerve, it mainly controls mastication and carries impulses of taste and touch. Number 6, abducens. This one. Number 6, it is known as abducens. So here it is given. So it is one kind of motor nerve, and it controls the movement of lateral rectus muscle, moves eyeball laterally. So this one is abducens nerve. Number 7. Number 7, here it is. Number 7, this is known as facial nerve. Here it is written facial. This is one kind of mixed nerve, although here it is written motor, because it's also showing some indication that it's mainly originated from the brain. Actually these are all originated from the brain, but here it has the properties of the mixed. That means both sensory and motor neurons are associated here. So it is one kind of mixed nerve, and it mainly regulates the facial expressions, secretion of saliva, and taste. Number 8. Here it is, number 8. It is known as auditory nerve. Number 8, auditory nerve. Here it is written vestibulocochlear nerve. This is one kind of sensory nerve. Vestibulocochlear nerve. This is one kind of sensory nerve, and it mainly concerned with the body balance or body equilibrium and hearing. Body balance, equilibrium, and hearing. Number 9. Here it is, number 9. It is called glossopharyngeal nerve. Number 9, you can see number 9, here it is written glossopharyngeal nerve. It is one kind of motor nerve, and it mainly associated with the taste, sensation, swallowing, secretion of saliva. Then number 10. Number 10 is called as vagus nerve. Here it is written number 10, vagus nerve. So it is one kind of motor nerve, and it mainly associated with the visceral reflexes, heart, lungs, bronchus, gastrointestinal tracts, and their reflexes are mainly controlled by the vagus nerve. Number 11, or 11th cranial nerve, and it is called spinal accessory nerve or accessory motor nerve, and it controls muscles of neck and shoulder, also related with the visceral reflexes and shoulder movement. Number 12, the last one, or 12th cranial nerve. It is called hypoglossal or hypoglossal motor nerve, and it mainly associated with the tongue movement. So this is about the cranial nerves. Number 1, known as olfactory nerve. The first cranial nerve is called olfactory nerve. Second cranial nerve is called optic nerve. Third cranial nerve is called oculomotor nerve. Fourth cranial nerve is called trochlear nerve. Fifth cranial nerve is called trigeminal nerve. Sixth, abducens nerve. Seven, this is the sixth and this is seven. The seventh cranial nerve is the facial nerve. Eighth, auditory or vestibulocochlear nerve. Ninth cranial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve. 10th, vagus nerve. 11th cranial nerve, spinal accessory nerve or accessory motor nerve. And 12th cranial nerve is called as hypoglossal motor nerve. So this is about the cranial nerves. Now next move to the spinal nerve. The nerves originated from spinal cord. This is the spinal cord, are called spinal nerves. So you can see the nerves are mainly originated from this part. So there are 31 pairs. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves, and these are mixed in nature, having both sensory and motor fibers. Now, according to the regions of their attachment in the spinal cord, they are known as cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal nerve. First, cervical nerves, 8 pairs, and it is mainly found in the neck part or in the neck region. Second, thoracic nerve, 12 pairs of thoracic nerves are present. Here it is written T1 to T12. That means 12 pairs of thoracic nerves, and it is mainly found in the thoracic region. Number 3, lumbar nerves. So here it is written L1 to L5. That means 5 pairs of lumbar nerves, and these are located in the upper abdominal part. This is the upper abdominal portion. Number 4, sacral nerve, S1 to S5. That means 5 pairs of sacral nerve, and it is mainly found in the lower abdominal part. And last, that means fifth spinal nerve. Fifth spinal nerve means, that means serially if we see, the fifth number is coccygeal nerve, and coccygeal nerve 1 pair, and it is mainly represent the tail. It represents the tail nerves. So this is about the spinal nerves. So 31 nerves connecting the spinal cord and various body organs, 8 paired cervical nerves, 12 paired thoracic nerves, 5 paired lumbar nerves, 5 paired sacral nerves, and 1 pair of coccygeal nerves. So this is about the components of peripheral nervous system. Thank you for watching this video.